Good morning, student. Welcome to online platform of Sri Academy. In mathematics, today I discussed some new topic related to the mathematics. Today I discussed chapter first, real number. In this chapter first, I discussed the Euclid division lemma. According to Euclid division lemma, any positive integer a is divided by b gives quotient q and remainder r, then it can be written a equal to bq plus r, where r is greater or equal to 0 and less than b. If any number is divided by another number and gives the any quotient and remainder will be 0, then divisor is a HCF of the given numbers. Now start the exercise 1.1. Question number first. Use Euclid division algorithms to find the HCF of first 135 and 225, second 196 and 38,220, third 867 and 255. Solution. First, the given number are 135 and 225. Since 225 is greater than 135, then we apply the division lemma to 225 and 135 to obtain 225 equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. Since remainder 90 not equal to 0, therefore apply the division lemma to 135 and 90. Therefore this can be written 135 equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. Again, since remainder 45 not equal to 0, therefore apply the division lemma between 90 and 45. Therefore this can be written 90 equal to 2 into 45 plus 0. Since the remainder is 0, therefore the process will be stopped. Since the divisor at this stage is 45, therefore the HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. This is the answer. Second, the given number are 196 and 38,220. Since 38,220 is greater than 196, therefore by division lemma to 38,220 and 196, therefore this can be written 38,220 equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. In this case, the remainder is 0, therefore the process will be stopped. Hence, you can say that the divisor at this stage is 195. Therefore, you can say that the HCF of the given number is 195. This is the answer. Student, all of you solve the next questions will be same. Now start the question number 2. So that any positive odd integer is of the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Solution. Let a be any positive integer and b equal to 6. Then by Euclid algorithms, this can be written a equal to 6q plus r for some integer q greater or equal to 0 and r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because r is greater or equal to 0 but less than 6. Therefore, put the values of r in the above algorithms a equal to 6q plus r. This can be written a equal to 6q or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5. Also, 6q plus 1 equal to 2 into 3q plus 1. Again, 6q plus 3 equal to 6q plus 2 plus 1 or 2 into 3q plus 1 plus 1. Next, 6q plus 5 equal to 6q plus 4 plus 1. This can be written 2 into 3q plus 2 plus 1. It means you can say that in these three cases the remainder is 1. Therefore, this cannot be divided by 2. It means you can say that the given number 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are not in the form of 2k plus 1, where k is an integer. Therefore, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are not exactly divisible by 2. It means you can say that any positive odd integer can be expressed in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the numbers of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in the parade they can march? It means you can say that to find the HCF of the number 616 and 32, give the maximum number of columns in which they can be marched. Now, by applying the Euclid division algorithms to find the SCF of 616 and 32. Therefore, this can be written 616 equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. Since remainder is not equal to 0, therefore again apply the Euclid algorithms between 32 and 8. Therefore, this can be written 32 equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. Since remainder is 0 and divisor is 8, therefore HCF of 616 and 32 is 8. Therefore, you can say that the maximum number of column in a parade is 8. This is the answer. Now, question number 4. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the squares of any positive integer is either of form of 3m or 3m plus 1, for which some integer m. Student, now let a be any positive integer and b equal to 3. Then by Euclid division lemma, this can be written a equal to 3q plus r for some integer q greater than 0, but r equal to 0, 1, 2, because the remainder r is greater or equal to 0 but less than 3. Now put the values of r in the above relation. Therefore, this can be written a equal to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Therefore, on squaring, you can find a square equal to 3q square or 3q plus 1 square or 3q plus 2 square. This can be written 3q square or 9q square plus 6q plus 1 or 9q square plus 12q plus 4. This can be written a square equal to 3 into 3q square or 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus 1 or 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1, or this can be written a square equal to 3k 1 or 3k2 plus 1 or 3k3 plus 1, where k1, k2 and k3 are some positive integer. Hence, you can say that the squares of any positive integer is either in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. This is the answer. Student, all of you solve and complete the exercise 1.1. This is the homework. Thank you.